Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I'm making a card with the March 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit. My project is part of a blog hop that is exclusive only to Paper Pumpkin projects. It's called A Paper Pumpkin Thing. So if you head over to my blog at jennystampsup.com, you will find links to all of the other members and only projects making with the brand new Paper Pumpkin Kit. We do this every month. If you're interested, then you can always participate and hop along in the blog hop for new ideas on how to create with your kit. My card is created with the large floral die, and I love this image. It is so pretty. It's very fashionable, yet it's kind of like a timeless design. It's beautiful. It's wonderful and easy to use. One word to describe Paper Pumpkin to me is convenient. Everything is all ready to go. Creating is still a wonderful process, and there is still some stamping involved. However, if I want to put something together that is quick and easy, Paper Pumpkin is the way for me to go. It's a monthly subscription kit, and there's always lots of extra instructional information that I provide to my subscribers in the form of PDF tutorials, and some of them have a video that accompany them. This is one of the projects that I'm providing for this month, and then I also provide several other designs that are uniquely my Jenny Hall designs. So if you are looking for a subscriber kit, then you'll be able to use the kit as it is designed, plus get lots of extra ideas and information. I'm stamping a happy birthday onto one of the sentiment holders from the kit. Inside the kit there is a Stampin' Spot, a little square ink spot, and it comes in early espresso this month. Small ink cubes are very attractive to some crafters, and it's a really nice, convenient way to have a little ink on the go or just to keep around and collect the ink spots. I have quite a few of them, and I have to tell you, there's something about those little inks that I just like them. I really do. Some of the elements in the kit this month are wooden, and they are laser cut on a wooden sheet. They're very easy to push away from the wood sheet, and I'm adding them to the project. My first layer went down directly to the card base, and the second layer was raised to be to the same level of the wood elements. That way mailing will be very easy. Here's another one of the die cuts from the kit. I used most of the elements that are in the kit to create a mini album. My mom's birthday is coming up this next month, and I created a mini album using these supplies. Here's a look at it now. The instructions for the mini album are exclusive only to my subscribers of the kit. I do sell the tutorials on my blog. This is one of those hidden journal sheets, and I've taken apart some of the different items such as envelopes and card bases to create this really fun mini album. See, the little page comes out for hidden journaling, and I'll put some pictures of my kids in there for my mom. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. Don't forget about a Paper Pumpkin Thing blog hop if you're interested in more ideas. These are the different images that I'm providing as sneak peeks for my tutorial. You can go to my blog at jennystampsup.com, click on tutorials, and get a look at exactly what it is that I've created. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.